Shenzhen Aluminum Products Company Limited, also known as ULIGHT, has 10 years' experience on LED lighting of R&D, manufacture and sales. We are specialized in providing LED shop lighting products including DC power track, magnetic light bar for shelving light, customized light guide panel, light box for advertisement, illuminated price tag for branding. We are dedicated to be your factory and partner for innovation lighting solution for modern shops, supermarkets, pharmacy, cosmetic store. We welcome any OEM and ODM order and are able to ensure fast delivery for customized products. Since we have owned 2 SMT production lines, 5 CNC machines, and 10 high-speed laser production lines, that ensures the production capacity is high and flexible and ensure the fast lead time for urgent project. Our products are with certificate of UL, CB, CE, ROHS, ERP. They have been exported worldwide such as Europe, America, Japan, Singapore, and other countries. By the strict quality control and the fast and positive after-sales service, we have realized more and more well-known chain shops all around the world and got good feedback from our customers. We will keep improving our services, investing more on R&D and marketing, and looking forward to establishing long-term business relationship with you.